See this PC case at the back? Let's talk about it. So that is the Segotep Nexus 1, a PC case that is sold at RM169, and it is of a limited edition, and to what I know from Segotep's posting, there's just 100 units over here in Malaysia, and it comes with a free figurine. Why? Because that case is a display case on a PC case. So that's why there's a figurine here. It's Miniso. Miniso has a license to distribute Sanrio brand products. Sanrio is the brand behind Hello Kitty, which you guys know. So there's a range of cute figures here. Let's jump onto this clip, which is from my earlier video where I did the unboxing and show you the figure and what it looks like inside. Now what this case attracts me is because I'm a figurine collector. This build is not fancy at all because I'm just putting in spare parts to show you a build. I'm not putting a lot of effort just to build for the build. However, the thing I want to show is the display case itself, which I find it very handy. In my experience over here, removing the front panel of the case is actually easy, and whether what figures can fit. Over here is a Good Smile Company Nendoroid. I have a Hatsune Miku and it fits just fine. However, the big hair has to be adjusted a bit so that the feet can stand on the ground properly. While if you have smaller figures without those big hair, it can fit easily. You can even put background on it and set the colors. As for the case itself, it's really nothing to talk about it because it's just a bare basic frame, just that unlike the usual case nowadays where it's glass or having glass and some panel, they've just done away with the front panel, put a display case, which I think is a unique idea, and the intake is from the side panel. And then here is my hand-drawn shot of the case, just to show you what I'm telling you, that the case frame itself is nothing spectacular. You've seen the one, you've seen them all. And what makes this case unique is the front, which is a display case. Now, whether should you get this case, the thing is, are you a collector or do you like Miniso product or do you like both? It's because either way, if you have nothing to display on this case, then this case is not for you. However, for those of you who are like me, would like to have some figure on display, then this case is just nice for you. That's it for this one, a short video. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.